From the moment the alarm sounds, you will have 4 minutes to enter the code into the microcomputer processor. Induction into the program. When the alarm sounds, either you or your partner must input the code. And do not attempt to use the computer for anything. Congratulations. Until your replacements arrive, the future of the project is in your hands.
You want to push the button? You want to push the button? You want to push the button?
It was 3 years ago. I was at a solar race around the world. And my boat crashed into the reef, and then Kelvin came.
Kelvin?
Kelvin, he comes running out of the jungle. Hurry, hurry, come with me. He brings me down here. First thing he does, because it's beeping already, he types in the code, he pushes the button, and it stops. What was all that about, I say? Just saving the world, he says. So I started pushing the button too. And we saved the world together for a while, and that was lovely. Then Kelvin died, and now here I am all alone. The end.
These arms of mine,
Hey.
Hi.
I pressed your button.
It's not my button. You still pushing it? Yeah, we're still pushing it.
The reason to do it, push the button, is not because we are told to do so in a film.
Well, then what is the reason, Mr. Echo?
We do it because we believe we are meant to.
Every single second of my pathetic little life is as useless as that button!
For all that, all those years that you and all the men before you were down there, pushing that button. What if I told you it was all for nothing?
I'd ask you, how the hell did you know something like that?
You want to take a walk? I'll make the popcorn.
You're so sure it's not real? Then just stop pushing the button.
Well, I have, except, unfortunately, someone else decided to start. So you're gonna sober up. And we're gonna get a good night's sleep, and tomorrow, we're gonna find out what happens if that button doesn't get pushed.
But in a minute, that computer's gonna start beeping. And when it does, you're gonna let it go. You're gonna let it run down to zero, past zero. And you're not gonna push the button.
But I am going to push the button. Why wouldn't I?
Because you don't want to be a slave.
I'm a slave to nothing.
You're a slave to that. Just like I was. So I'm going to tell you again. Don't push it.
Do not tell me what I can do.
Hey! Hey! Can I get some help? Can you help me? I'm trying, brother.
You talked me into pushing that button once, John. But it's yours now. You're the one who won't risk it. You. Me? I don't think anything's gonna happen when we get down to zero. You wanna see what's gonna happen? Let's just see what's gonna happen.